skiing. I'm in a pretty good place for that, so that's exciting. Even though there wasn't much skiing this year, which isn't too bad, but that's okay. I love the outdoors, and I'm just really excited to be taking this class and expand my knowledge of genetics. So I just graduated from Westminster College, class of 2020. I actually graduated back in December, but as a December graduate, they will just put me with class of 2020, so that's fine. These are some pictures I took in lieu of a graduation ceremony, but I'm happy I had the opportunity to do at least that, so that's good. This is my little family, my fiance Trevor. We're planning to get married in August 22nd, 2020. And then the picture over here, this is me and Trevor and our dog Bo. Bo is our best little adventure buddy, and I love having a dog. It's so fun. So yeah, back to hobbies. This is what we actually did this weekend. This is just up in a canyon about 20 minutes from where we live. So we live in a very accessible place to recreation, which is really awesome. Okay, so last year I went to Thailand to serve some medically underserved populations there in that country. Westminster has been going on this trip for about 11 years, so it's really great that we have so many community resources, and they look forward to us coming back each year and contributing to these communities and offering services to these little cute kiddos that you see pictured here. I love to travel, so I put this on there as an example of that too. I went to Thailand last year, and then hopefully we're going to go to Italy and Greece for our honeymoon this year, so that'll be good. Okay, so kind of following with pediatrics, I love kids. I've worked as a medical assistant in pediatrics for over 4 years now. I think kids have a certain level of innocence that to me is just beautiful. They haven't learned hate, they haven't learned discrimination, they haven't learned things that kind of make this world a little bit uglier of a place. So I love their innocence for that reason. I think that's great. That being said, my goal is to apply to PA school and become an emergency pediatric physician assistant. I think kids are very resilient, and I'm excited to see them in that setting of like an emergency room. So what I hope to get out of this genetics class is, like I said, a deeper understanding of genetics, but also genetics and how it relates to human disease, which is why I'm very excited for the Genetics for Health Professionals course that we're about to take. So everybody, good luck this semester, this short little semester, and thanks. Talk to you all soon.